again, Red Caboose fans. Red Caboose here with yet another unboxing today. And this unboxing is the August subscription box of Alakaban Tea. And yes, I am tea fanatic. Yes, I do love tea. But before we get to that, I do have some information here. Alakaban Tea is based out of Canada, and they get their tea from small Sri Lankan farms. It's all natural, and all the little crafts that you see in here are handcrafted in Sri Lanka as well. Now they do ship on the 20th of each month, and their prices here, they have the Tasty, T-E-A, Tasty box. That is 70 grams of the specialty tea, 2 spices, and some surprises for $19.99. Then we have the Thirst Tea, again Thirst, T-E-A, Thirst Tea, for $29.99, and that's 150 grams of tea with 3 paired spices and extra surprises. And then we have the Novelty, Novel T-E-A, Novelty, for $39.99, and with that one you get 2 bags of 150 grams of tea, 3 paired spices, and some surprises. And now I did go ahead and open this and take a look just to see what box I had been given. Again, this was given in exchange for a personal review, personal honest review. So let's go ahead and open it up. And again, I did go ahead and take a look prior to this just to see what option I had. I don't know if you can see that because it's likely to overflow here. Alright, so here is our card that has everything on it. Not only that, but they have how to make traditional, is it Ceylon tea? Which the Sri Lanka type tea is, I suppose. And then they also have how to make your own tea blend using the spices, and they have how to use our disposable strainer. So we'll get through that eventually. Now the first thing that was here was in this little bag here. Our little handcrafted tea strainer. I'll go ahead and show that to you here. Our little handcrafted tea strainer with the bag. The bag goes like this. And yes, the bag is washable. But while you are washing it, it does come with another. And it also comes with a little mixing spoon, handcrafted as well. And then, of course, we have the tea. This here, as I've said, I believe I have gotten the Thirst Tea, or the $29.99 pack. So that is what 150 grams of tea looks like. And it is a black tea. And the tea estate is Hatton. So it says, tea. This month we present to you tea hailing from Hatton, situated in central province of Sri Lanka. Teas from Hatton are grown in altitudes of over 4,000 feet. By lying in the major tea district of Sri Lanka, Hatton is known to produce some of the country's finest teas. The grainy nature of this grade of tea is created by sifting away the leafy portion, making it ideal to use in the use of tea bags. Hatton's teas are known to produce a strong flavor and an equally wonderful fragrance that comes with it. So that is from the district of Hatton. I love how it's packaged. Alright. And then we have the various spices. And again, so cute. Handmade little baskets. And this one is orange peel. And when you open it, that's what it comes in. And of course it smells like oranges. So we have orange peel. The orange peel that we usually discard as waste can be in fact a benefit you even more. The orange peel alone contains 136 milligrams of vitamin C, while the entire fleshy fruity part contains only 71 milligrams. In addition to its enriched vitamin content, it also has minerals such as calcium, magnesium, etc. And in order to access these hidden treasures, the peel is used in several ways. It is chopped up and added to tea or water as orange zest, and even in the water used for bathing for a healthy glow of skin. And again, place it back in the basket. Place the lid on it. Neat little storage. And our second spice, same little basket, is coriander seeds. And I love the smell of coriander too. Now the coriander seeds are tiny brown round seeds obtained from the coriander plant. The seeds are highly aromatic and flavorful and are popular in Sri Lankan cuisine. The roasted seed is known to generate warmth in the body, and so is used for cooking as a powdered spice or added to a warm drink on a cold day. The unroasted raw coriander provides the opposite effect and cools the body, so it is boiled in water and drunk for colds or dry coughs. So there you are, coriander. And again, back in a little box to store it away. And again, with those flavorings, they do have tips on how to make your own blend with the tea and the spices. Now when I opened this up, this was probably the messiest because it had leaked. It's still quite sticky. It is honey. And it is quite tasty too, by the way. Now, I was told by the makers of this Alakaban tea box, that this may be unfortunately the last time that they put honey in the box, because unfortunately it does happen quite often, spilled tea or spilled honey. So this may be one of the last times that they put it in the box, unfortunately. Sorry, now I have sticky fingers. But it is good honey. Okay, so the natural bee's honey. From the wilderness of Sri Lanka, we bring you Sri Lankan natural bee honey. The use of the honey in Sri Lanka is mainly medicinal based rather than an ingredient in cooking. Honey is believed to have many Ayurvedic values in that people often take a tablespoon of honey every early morning. A little warm water added and a tiny squeeze of lime to your honey is known to keep the throat in perfectly good condition and the voice sweeter. So worth something to try, I suppose. So now we have what they call the Flavor Bomb / Surprise Box. And I did open this up as well. I thought these were absolutely cute. They're little tea bags. Smell wonderful. And they've got little bee erasers on them. How cute is that, huh? Let's see what they say about that. This month's Flavor Bomb is a hand-mixed blend called Orange Blossoms. It consists of a mixture of orange peel and coriander seed with the tea. We have also added empty tea bags so that you can have a go at making your perfect blend. The idea of the Flavor Bomb is to give you a taste of traditional tea from all over the world. Just add 1 flavor pouch to 1 cup of boiling water. And yes, those are the coolest things in the world. And I may have to go and make myself another one. So, oh, and yes, this is what the honey pot came in when it was all taped up. So cute. Now, for the value of $29.99, I must say that, my opinion, being a tea lover, that this is indeed worth the $29.99. Is, along with everything else, is worth, I think, $29.99. But what do you think, friend? My fellow caboose friends. So let's bring this over here. So we've got the tea. We've got the strainer. We've got the extra for when you wash the strainer. We've got the spoon for measuring and stirring. We've got these wonderfully crafted little baskets with both coriander seeds and orange peel. We've of course got the honey. Plus we have these wonderful, what they call flavor bombs, which I think are absolutely, oh, darn it, the bee fell off, which I think are absolutely adorable. Again, that was the Thirst Tea box, $29.99. We also have the Taste Tea box, which is $19.99, and the Novelty box, where you get 2 of these size tea bags, plus everything here, for $39.99. Now, what I want to hear below is, have you tried this box? Have you tried the subscription? What do you think of it? And is it worth it to you? Also, if you are a newcomer to my channel, please subscribe and click that bell if you really enjoyed this, and that will let you know when I've uploaded another video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you later. Remember, to the world you may be one person, but to one person you are most certainly the world. Keep that light shining, and have a great day.